So, following on from the previous tutorial, we are now going to take some denary numbers. So these numbers down the right hand side are numbers that we know every day. So we've got the units of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We want to convert these everyday numbers, these denary numbers, into binary. Now obviously, first of all, 0 is going to be 0 because 0 is 0. Now the denary number 1 is actually represented by 1 bit. So in my diagram I would place a 1 there. So binary number 1 is denary number 1. Now for number 2 here, we have a 2 in our binary section. So if I place that as 1, because binary only has 1s and 0s, and place the 0 there, 1 0 in binary actually represents the number 2. So now the number 3, well, there's not a 3 showing here, so I can't use that, but I do have a number 2 and a number 1, and if I add those together, that makes 3. So I can represent that there. The number 4, now I've got a 4 as my nibble. So if I turn the 4 on and make that 1, make these two 0, that will make number 4. To represent number 5, well, I haven't got a 5 here, so I can't use 8, because 8's not number 5, is it? So if I have 4, a 2 wouldn't turn that into a 6, because you can see I'm starting to add these numbers together here in order to create my numbers there. So 4 plus 2 makes 6, so I can't have 2, but I can have 1. And you follow that pattern. 4 plus 2 plus nothing will make 6. For the number 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. For number 8, now I've got 8 this time over in my byte, so I can have 1 and then I will have my zeros there. And for number 9, 8, no, I don't want a plus 4, that would be silly. I don't want a plus 2, I want a plus 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. For number 10, I want 8. 4 would be 12, so I don't want that. And I want 2 to make the 10, and then I want a 0 there. So these are my binary numbers, which represent the everyday numbers we're used to seeing. So the next question, what if we take our number 53? How do I find number 53? Okay, so first of all, 53 is not represented anywhere here, but 53 lies somewhere between those two numbers. Now you can't have that as 64, so I first take 32. So if I was to take 32 away from 53, now I'm in a spreadsheet, so if my maths isn't very good, and I can quite simply, 53 minus 32, I can use the spreadsheet to help me, 21. So 21's not represented there, but 16 is, so I'm going to turn 16 on. And I'm going to take 16 away from 21, so equals 21 minus 16. Should be able to do that one in our head, which is 5. So since 5's not represented there, so that will have to be a 0, but 4 is. I know I've got to make 5, so that will be 1, that will be 0, and that will be 1. If I was to add 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1, it will make 53. In the next tutorial I'll do a few more just to make sure that we understand.